Today I'm looking at the remains of the Glazier Manufacturing Company in South Glastonbury, Connecticut. I actually didn't know this was here until just the day of filming, as I was driving by and noticed it, and I just had to stop and take a look. Apparently, based on there's 3 signs scattered around the park here, and it says that this place was open for about 120 years. It opened up originally in 1836 by the Dean family and was primarily producing woolen items. It says that they produced uniforms for the Union Army during the Civil War, and also apparently at some point interiors for Ford vehicles, the seats apparently. It was sold in 1848 to the Naog Manufacturing Company, N-A-O-G, I'm not quite sure how to say that. And then in 1890, Frank Glazier Jr. took over management of the company, and in 1909 he renamed it to the Glazier Manufacturing Company. And as far as I can tell, this picture here is what the building we're looking at right now looked like originally. Obviously, this is the first level, and the top 3 levels are long gone. Now, I don't know if somebody can tell me how that burn mark happened there on the chimney. I'm guessing there was a leak, and that's just from all the smoke leaking out, but I'm not sure. So this place was owned by the Glaziers until 1933, when during the Great Depression they had to sell it, and it was sold to the Brookside Woolen Company, and then shortly after to the Hopewell Mill. And I believe this picture here shows the inside of this building. I'm fairly certain, but I could be wrong. Not sure how old that plaster is there. I'm not sure if that's green paint or it's just discolored over time. Then this picture here is a 1877 survey map. I'm pretty sure we're in the blue section there, the lower level of that large mill. So after this was sold during the Great Depression, it ran under the name of the Matson Mill from 1936 to 1956, but was eventually forced to close due to environmental concerns. Then in 1956, the J.T. Slocum Company purchased the property and used it to produce aerospace parts like jet engines and similar items. Now, I'm fairly certain that's a fire hydrant, which I believe would have been fed by the stream. And I also think I read on one of the plaques that there were these fire hydrants scattered throughout the property, just in case one of the mills caught fire, of course. Now, across the stream there's another foundation. I'm not sure what that was, but I would assume it's related to this company in some way. And right now, I think I'm standing on a dam. I'm not sure though, but it does appear to be a dam, which they use, of course, to harness the water to run the mill. Then in 2007, the town of Glastonbury purchased the property, and now it's an open space and public landmark that anybody can come see for free. Come out and take a look.